Okay, so you might be wondering why I've not posted a devlog for very long time. Okay, so basically, I uploaded my first video on 31st of December 2021, and then I didn't upload for exactly a month. Okay, so I wasn't working on the game for a month. What actually happened was that from first, I got a stomachache on 7th, on the 7th of 6th of January, and that was problematic. Then I was sick all the way till 12th. Then after that, on the 14th, I again got sick. So I was basically sick for like a very long time. I got sick, then I got well, then I got sick again. Then I had a week to finish all the updates to the game, and I did. And I actually finished it on Thursday, but I completely forgot to shoot this video. So yeah, I was done with this 4 days ago. I completely forgot, so sorry for that. Okay, a little bit of an update. The problem that I was having last time was that number one, the options used to stretch and blend together. Number two, I had to finish making the animations. Number three, I don't know if I'm remembering this right, but I hadn't done multiplication single digit, double digit. I think it was automatically just double digit. I'm not sure. But yeah, so now that is also a feature that it goes multiplication single digit. And double digit, you get two options, and I've also finished division, so a lot of work in just a week, which I think is nice. I'm showing this to you on my on Unity right now. I haven't exported it. Like, I have exported it, I've also published it. You can check the links in the description for the games. You can check them out. I also made an Android version, which I sadly can't show you right now, um, because I don't have a phone. But yeah, anyway, you can also download the Android version. So I have both Android version and Windows version. There's no Mac version. There's no iPhone version, sadly. But yeah, okay. So I'll just start it. Main menu, and now the laptop. This is the laptop version. This is not the phone version. So right now, I've still not edited this. I think I'm fine with it. People will understand it anyway. It's pretty, like, the game is pretty self-explanatory. Even if you don't read the rules, you'll still understand it. Now we have addition, which is the same as usual, and now you can see the stretching doesn't happen. And the trick I found out was that if I put this in the normal one, if I put this on free aspect, you'll notice this, because I've minimized it like crazy, so that when it stretches on the laptop, it looks normal. Oh crap, sorry. It looks kind of normal. So yeah. The stretching issue is still a thing that I have to solve. In some computers it won't work properly. But I don't know, I can't really. It's fine, it's working. When I'm more experienced with how to use UI, I think I'll try to fix this. But for now, right, it's pretty much good. Okay. Now, the animations are also added. So if you see, I can get a correct animation and I'll also get a wrong animation. Same thing as before. You can back, subtraction is also there. You'll also notice that the options are very close together, which I've written in the code. So sometimes what happens is, because there are very few numbers that it can pick, because I want to make sure that all the options are very close together. Um, so the numbers that are generating sometimes are very close. So users can automatically figure out, okay, if two numbers are exactly the same, they are probably not the answer. So if I click any of these 18s, it's not the answer. It's 13. A lot of times there are duplicate numbers, so that is one problem. But I think it's fine. It's manageable. It only happens a couple of times. Now multiplication, single digit, double digit, both is there. And I'm also finished division, which is good. So division, pretty okay. It's normal. Sometimes this happens. This is a glitch which I have been trying to solve. Uh, for the life of me, I can't figure out what the hell is wrong with this. But yeah, usually if there are two options and it's on the side, like this one and this one, usually this one is the correct answer. Not sure what's wrong with the code. I need to still figure it out. But yeah, wait, I'm trying to see if that scenario comes up again. No, no, come on, come on. So it happens very rarely. Yeah, right now it happened. So this one is okay. I'm not sure. Sometimes that scenario happens because there's only a limited number of answers that it can numbers that it can generate, because I've put some restrictions on it. So sometimes, very rarely, this kind of glitch happens, but it's fine. I will think of solutions on how to fix this. Anyway, So I'm considering this project pretty much done. I want to explore more things. This purpose of this project was to make a fun game for my brother so that he can practice maths, and the other purpose was to get me familiarized with Unity UI. How do I use UI in my video games? So that was the main purpose of this main purpose of this game, and I think I did it. I've understood how UI works now. The code and all, I can look up that later. So yeah, I'm gonna put this project is being a little shelved for now because again, as I told, the project has served its purpose, and now I'm gonna be making more projects. I've also joined the game jam, which is gonna start on February 5th. Unlike normal game jams, it's actually very long. It's 20 days long. It goes from February 5th to February 25th. And we're supposed to make make like a social issues based video game. So yeah, you'd see a video on that also coming out. Sorry for not uploading for so long. I was, as mentioned, sick. Yeah, I need to get better at recording videos. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you.